Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for mid-month of August starting from 15th till 31st, and we will be seeing your past, present and future energies in this reading for Sun, Moon, Venus and Rising. Okay, this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. So let's get started. Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, 15th till 31st of August 2021. What is there for my Aquarians? Message for my Aquarians, please. Past, present and future energies. Okay, so the obstacle for you in this mid-month is the King of Cups, and your overall energy for this from 15th till 31st is the Seven of Cups. Okay, so you seem to be in a place where you are in front of many options. There are many options in front of you. It could be like in a love situation, it could be a career situation, job situation, it can be anything. So yes, there are options in front of you. You are not able to find what is going on, and yeah, but you are dedicated towards something. Okay, one thing you know from your heart, that this is that situation or this is that thing I really want, but you are not able to get that thing. It could be anything. It could be like a situation where sometimes what we feel is we really like something, but we are not able to get that thing. And why we are not able to get it, the reasons are different. So yeah, so you are at that situation somewhere where you want something, you know from your heart that you want that thing, but that is an obstacle and you're not able to get it. Okay, so we will clarify more about it, what that thing is. In the past we have 10 of Rods, the Wheel of Fortune and 7 of Pentacles. So yeah, you were going through a lot of stress because of this situation only. It could be, it could not be. So there was a lot of stress, anxiety, not anxiety, basically I would say stress. It was like, a burden kind of a thing. You were feeling really heavy from your heart and it was going from a long time. You thought that this would end, but it wasn't. Things were like not so easy for you. It didn't end and it was really, really hard for you for that situation. At present we have the 6 of Swords, 4 of Pentacles and the Hanged Man. Somewhere you have an option to leave this situation, but you are not going to leave, or you're not leaving it because you still think that you need to find different ways to get this thing. But it's like universe is offering you a chance to just go away from the situation, go and just enjoy your life. There's a lot of things in front of you. You need to just go from this thing, but you're not leaving it, you're holding it. The more and more you are holding it, the more and more pain you are getting, the more and more stress you are getting in that situation. In the future energies, we have 5 of Wands, 4 of Wands and 3 of Pentacles. Yeah, stress is not ending. I see that more stress. It's basically a situation where you are yourself allowing this thing to come towards you, like stress to come towards you. You can easily end the situation. You can easily handle the situation. What you are feeling right now, actually there are no options. You know the option from within, but you do not want to take that option. That is the situation. Okay, so let's get the clarity about everything now. Tell me more about the King of Cups in the overall energy for my Aquarius. Five of Cups, the Hanged Man and 4 of Wands. Yeah. as I already told you, that it could be a marriage thing for many of you, because Four of Wands have come twice in your reading. So yeah, it could be like, you know, a marriage which you do not want to end, but it needs to end. Okay, a relationship which you do not want to end, but it needs to end. A thing which you do not want to end, but it needs to end. So what you want and what is needed are two different things over here. So yeah, see how much regrets. I see a lot of sadness in this thing. You are happy, but you are sad at the same time. It's a very complicated situation in which you are in, but you are still hanging on that thing, that you do not want to leave it. Basically, you are giving your 100% for this thing. You're not going to leave this person, you're not going to leave this situation, because, you know, it will be the easiest step. Leaving something is very easy, but fighting for something to stay, it's really difficult sometimes. And that is what you are opting for. You are opting for the hard way. Wow, Aquarius, this is a true Aquarian quality over here which I am seeing today. Okay, so tell me more about the Seven of Cups in the overall energy. Five of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, and Ace of Cups. I feel that there's a lot of fighting, there's a lot of aggression in this situation. You know, one person is like, you know, I just leave me. I just, you know, somebody is showing you a lot of aggression. Somebody is showing you a lot of you know, frustration, and you are taking it very calmly. You are like, it could be you as well, Aquarius. So, you know, you can take it as it suits you, as it resonates. So it can be vice versa for cross watchers as well. So yeah, there's that situation where, you know, one person really needs to leave this situation. It's like one person is like running away from the situation, and it's like, you are, no, do not leave me, I am here, I really want you to be with me. It's like, you know, just getting what you want, but the other person doesn't want that. One person is like going this way and the other person is going this way. You know, I'm going to come towards you, I'm not going to run away from you. You want to run away, run. How far can you run away? But I'm going to come to you, that thing. Okay, so tell me more about the Wheel of Fortune in the past energies. Why the Wheel of Fortune is here. The World, Three of Cups, and Ten of Wands again in your reading in the past. So it seems to me as a lot of stress to you. It could be a third party relationship over here. You could be the third party, or you are involved in a third party situation, which you felt that it has ended, but actually it didn't. You know, for somebody, so the situation is like that there was a thing, okay, third party thing, and you felt that it was ended. But ending is not only the last thing. The trust is gone, and when the trust is gone, the more stress comes, because you feel that if this thing's ended, it can restart again, because there was one more card with the Three of Cups at the back of the deck. Okay, so I didn't check some energy. So we had the Three of Cups with the Devil energy at the back, other than the Seven of Cups. So yeah, there was a situation, and you are not able to get it out of your system. That thing, whatever was there in the past, you are not able to get it out, and that is why the problems are still going on. You have an option to leave the situation, but you are not able to leave it. You are just hanging on, you are just holding on with the situation. So you are not able to forget that thing, you are not able to move on with the thing. What exactly you want, Aquarians? What is this thing? Tell me more about the Four of Pentacles. Why my queens are holding on to this situation? Knight of Cups, Judgment, and Six of Swords. Because yeah, you have taken, you know, if this was a marriage, so this was a vow. Because I'm really getting that vow which you have given to your partner, that I'm not going to leave you, like in if the life, you know, the vow which you take, I don't know, but yeah, in death and in pain and happiness and everything, you have to be together. So that vow is basically coming up in your mind again and again, and you're not ready to leave the situation, and you're just holding on. You are you are really at a place where a decision has to be made. That is why you are confused in a situation. This is the reason. Tell me now, let's see your future energies about the situation. Tell me more about the Five of Wands. Why are the arguments coming up again and again? Seven of Cups again, King of Wands and Three of Pentacles, because this situation requires cooperation, coordination, and it requires a proper management. It requires something. It requires a proper planning, which is not there, okay? Because of the Seven of Cups, you know, that confusion is making you so much like hodgepodge, and that is why you're not able to plan things out. Planning is needed in the situation, Aquarians. If that is lacking, so you should do some planning, you should work for that thing. Tell me more about the Four of Wands. Page of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and the Fool. Yeah, I feel that somebody is being very kiddish and you know, childish energies, very immature energies of taking risks in life. Like whatever is going, I'm a free person, and you know, if this is not, I don't see that this is your energy. This is your person's energy, and your person is behaving very immature at this time, behaving very much like, you know, I'm really enjoying my situation wherever I am. I am a free lady, I'm a free gentleman, whosoever this is. So let me do what I'm doing. I don't see any regrets in the situation. If this is not you and this is your person, so there are no regrets from their side, and that is why it is pinching you so much, because you do not see any regrets. You still are, you know, after the cheating, after this thing, you still are giving too much to your person. But from their side, it's like, you know, I don't even care. So what? I am a free person. I am an independent person. I will take my own decisions in life. I have not done anything wrong. So yeah, that is their way of judgment of whatever they have done. So it's whether it's right or wrong, it's, who am I to say exactly? Okay, so yeah, the main thing is communication, cooperation, which is needed in the situation. Try to mend the situation rather than making it apart. So that is all from my side, my dear Aquarius. I hope that helps, and we're going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.